Hello students, have a marvelous day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 4th standard and subject English. Students, in your previous class, you have learned what is abstract noun and collective noun. So today we are going to see new topic, gender. Okay. So gender is a category of noun. Yes. So gender is a categories of noun. So first you have to know what is gender. Okay. So what is gender? Yes. Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Okay. So gender is differentiate between male and female noun. So there are 4 types of gender in English language. So first type is masculine gender, feminine gender, third one is common gender and neuter gender. So let us learn about all of them one by one. Look at the following sentence. So first sentence, Sanju is a boy. He is my brother. Shivani is a girl. She is my sister. So we know that boy and brother are words used for males. Similarly, girl and sister are the words used for female. So, a noun that denotes a male is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, man, king and lion. And the other hand, a noun denotes a female is said to be of the feminine gender. For example, woman, queen and lioness, such like. So we have seen 2 type of gender. So first type is masculine gender. So what is masculine gender? Yes, a noun that denotes a male is called masculine gender. Man, king, lion, husband, such like. And then feminine gender, a noun that denotes a female is said to be of the feminine gender. Example, woman, queen and lioness. Okay. So let's move to next type, common gender. Next type is common gender. So look at the following sentence. Mr. Gupta is a teacher. Mrs. Gupta is a teacher too. So the word teacher. So the word teacher can stand or used both for Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Gupta. So here the word teacher is common for both male and female, right? So see the definition of common gender. So a noun that denotes either a male or a female is said to be of the common gender. For example, doctor, student, player, etc. So listen to the word doctor. So, can you distinguish whether male or female the word doctor? No, it is not possible. So, a doctor can be a male or female. So, a noun that refers to the male or a female is said to be of the common gender. Okay? And last type of gender is neuter gender. Now, look at these two sentences. Sanjay as a ball. Vani as a book. So notice the word ball and book. Ball and book are non-living things. Such nouns comes under neuter gender. Okay, so a noun that denotes a non-living thing is said to be of the neuter gender. So there are neither male nor female. See some example: tree, table, pen, and etc. Okay. So in the real world, both masculine and feminine genders are already existent, and accordingly the English language has masculine gender nouns and feminine gender nouns to represent each one of them. So now we can see some examples of masculine and feminine gender. So see, boy becomes girl, lion becomes lioness, hero, heroine, and also you can say actor, actress, emperor, empress. Okay? Listen. So feminine nouns of compound nouns are formed by replacing the part of noun which is gender specific. See some example: grandfather, grandmother, landlord, landlady, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, right? So today we have learned what is gender and its type. So students, I hope gender nouns are clear to you. So we will do book back exercise in our previous class. Thank you.